Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix in this game World War 3 fetching a data error, and also I'm going to show you how you can fix the lag. So let's jump right into the video. Now the first step, just click on the game. We have to open the game, and while we're doing that we have to open Steam. Obviously Steam will open automatically because of the game, but still. Okay, and here what you have to do is to click on properties and make sure you click on verify integrity of game files. This always it's a good idea, and here this is very important. Now a lot of not a lot of people have this problem, but still there are some people there still have this problem. So what you gotta do is to expand this and click on verify and fix installed game client files, and this will check game client files, and this can fix this problem. Now usually this problem is not very, this fetching data error is not that common anymore, but still there's some people you can try this. Usually this was due to the servers, but maybe there's still some people having this problem. So I suggest you to still click here, and that's about it. I hope this video helped you, and please let me know in the comment section if this worked. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I would really appreciate that, and take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video.